My greatness is proof that God is great. The love you have for me is proof that God is straight. But who am I to judge if you think God is gay? Guess we all waiting for the judgment day. What's up, people? This is your African rap goddess, Eno Barony, and I'm here to face my fans on MX24. Dear God, comparing my good deeds to my bad, honestly, I'm not sure. Cause I'm a mixture of both good and evil. The truth is, I'm not. It's a God-given talent, and it's music is my life. So it's like I'm living it, and the more I live, the more I get developed. Yeah. Comparing my good deeds to my bad, honestly, I'm not sure. I want to have a positive impact on people's life through the words that come out of my mouth. Yeah. I really want to work with Kanye West and Spice Official. Yeah, locally, still thinking. Yeah. Missy Elliott and Rihanna. Beyonce. Kanye. I open a show for Kanye because I love all his stage crafts, like the way he builds his stage and everything. Like he always takes you out of the world. You don't even think about how the stage is gonna be, and he just comes out like that. And I would like to open a show on any of his stages. Yeah. I'll be listening to music. Maybe producing music. I don't think I wouldn't have done anything with the world would have been nothing without music. So maybe I wouldn't have been existing then. Eno Barony everywhere. Yeah. The talent is not given to just you. A lot will come, but nothing original is threatened. So they will throw the shots, but don't mind it. I write. First of all, I have conversations about the concepts that I want to bring out. Then I write. Then I enter the studio. I record. Come out to have conversations about what I've recorded. Go back to the studio. Go back to the studio about 3 to 4 times. It's done. Give it to management. Management takes it from there. Build a concept with video directors. Have meetings about release. Then fasting, prayers, out. Every human being has a spiritual side, because I'm not just in a physical body just moving around, and so I am 100% spiritual, since I am made of spirit and body and flesh. Yeah. As for the fasting, I do it every day. It's not, I don't fast because I'm praying. I don't eat, which is a bad habit. So I fast a lot, but then I pray every day. I have never been up without praying. Even if I don't, I'm not like I just wake up and I'm praying. No, but at least before the day ends, there's a prayer in there. Maybe I'll be eating and I'll pray over my food. Yeah, I like them both. They are both good, and so I love them. Sister Ifya is on my first album, and Ifya is on my second album. Yeah, so check it out. Right now, I'm just doing short hair, so let's go with it. I like to live alone. Check out my boots. You like it? Yeah. Funny enough, I'm not a wine person. Yeah, so. Man. IG, yeah. Guy friends. Emotions. Skill. Hey. Let's talk right now. Yeah, pillow talk. Think it's rituals. One thing is I'm a gold digger. Whether high or low, I'm ever ready to dig up. My greatness is proof that God is great. The love you have for me is proof that God is straight. But who am I to judge you if you think God is gay? Guess we are all waiting for the judgment day. My name is Eno Barony, your African rap goddess.
Limiting my prayers, cause I start feeling undeserving and I pray on my bed. I feel like God no go listen. He said, why not me by me doggy? DM, just show me the way. I'm losing track every day. Why Satan go touch up people in hell for disobeying the same God he disobeyed? And I don't wanna be responsible for anybody's life, cause I got young girls who wanna be like me. I tell them never ever be like me, cause I might go to heaven and you might not survive. Hip-hop artists giving out to the needy, when some pastors are scamming people for the cities. Yeah, you winning souls, but I'm touching hearts. But you know the best fruit is always forbidden. This apple fell so far from the tree. Hellfire, holy water, one pity. I got angels and demons all together working for my good. Whatever I do, whenever they lose, I never be mute. I still confess to you that God is good. My greatness is proof that God is great. The love you show me is proof that God is straight. But who am I to judge if you think God is gay? Guess we all waiting for the judgment day.
When I pray, answer. He my God and my provider. When I pray, answer. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Don't judge me.